Hello, English learners. Welcome to the English Leap podcast. Hi, I'm Liza.
And I'm Jack.
Today we have a real-life English conversation. Easy words, natural talk. Let's begin.
Hi, Liza. You look a little tired today. Is everything okay?
Hi, Jack. Yes, I'm okay. Just thinking too much.
Thinking about what?
About life, job, future, everything.
That happens when you move to a new city.
Yes, everything feels new and uncertain.
I remember that feeling. When I first came here, I felt lost.
Really? But you look very confident now.
Confidence came slowly. It didn't come in one day.
That makes me feel better.
Good. So how is your room? Are you comfortable now?
It's small, but it's fine. At least I have my own space.
That's important. Peace matters more than size.
True. Sometimes I just sit quietly and think.
Do you like silence?
Yes, but sometimes silence makes me overthink.
Same here. Silence can be peaceful or scary.
Exactly.
Have you started job hunting seriously?
Yes, I apply every morning.
That's good discipline.
But sometimes I feel scared before interviews.
That fear is normal.
What if I make mistakes in English?
Mistakes are allowed. Even interviewers make mistakes.
Really?
Yes, nobody is perfect.
That's comforting.
You just need to communicate, not impress.
I always try to impress.
That's where pressure comes from.
So I should just be myself?
Exactly.
Jack, do you ever feel lonely?
Sometimes yes.
What do you do then?
I go for a walk or call a friend.
I usually stay quiet.
Talking helps more than silence.
I'm learning that now.
Good. You're learning many things.
Not just English, but life.
Language and life grow together.
That's a nice thought.
So tell me, why do you want to improve your English?
I want confidence. I want freedom.
English gives access.
Yes, better jobs, better communication.
And better self-expression.
Exactly.
How do you practice speaking?
I talk to myself sometimes.
That's a great method.
At first, it felt strange.
But now?
Now it feels helpful.
Good. Talking to yourself builds fluency.
I also listen to podcasts.
Like this one?
Yes, like this one.
Then you're doing the right thing.
Jack, can I ask something personal?
Sure.
Did you ever fail in life?
Many times.
How did you handle it?
I accepted it and moved on.
That sounds hard.
It is, but necessary.
I'm afraid of failure.
Failure teaches more than success.
I never thought like that.
Most people don't.
I worry a lot about what people think.
I used to care a lot too.
What changed?
I realized everyone is busy with their own life.
That's true.
People forget quickly.
Then why do we care so much?
Because we want approval.
But approval doesn't give peace.
Exactly.
Peace comes from inside.
Yes.
Jack, do you like living alone?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Same feeling here.
Living alone teaches responsibility.
And patience.
And self-understanding.
I'm slowly understanding myself.
That's growth.
I feel happy talking to you.
Me too. Conversations like this matter.
It feels real.
That's because it is real.
Do you think I will adjust here?
Definitely.
How can you be so sure?
Because you're trying.
Trying is enough?
Trying daily is enough.
I'll remember that.
Good.
Jack, thank you for listening.
Thank you for sharing.
Let's continue this conversation again.
Of course.
This city feels less scary now.
Because you're not alone anymore.
That means a lot.
See you soon, Liza.
See you, Jack. Thank you for listening to today's conversation.
Listen again and practice speaking.
Take it slow and believe in yourself.
See you in the next episode.